Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, February 20th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had another spectacular day today. Wasn't so spectacular for the Dow. Dow opened down, went positive very briefly, first 90 minutes or so, and then I haven't been able to find out what went on here, but it looks like maybe some news rumors got out. The thing really dived, um, got us into two or three of our short positions, which are still positive, by the way. But note the Dow went down below 29,000 on the spike and then just immediately recovered. Whenever I see this, beware of going short. Um, this is what I call a bull spike, and because of the quick recovery and rally here, I will call the Dow up for tomorrow, positive. If it doesn't go positive, I'm going to make more money than if it does. But this, looking from the chart, looking at the chart, this looks like it will go positive tomorrow. Officially, the Dow closed down 128 points. Okay, we had a great day. We closed out just shy of $29,000. I think we had 20,000 in open trade on the close last night, and by the time we got out of everything, we were up nearly 29,000 in closed out trades. My spreadsheet for February is on fire. Yeah, pretty amazing month it's been. Anyway, we got into 13 new positions in all this craziness. Um, 5 positive, 8 negative, but we're positive $3,300. Um, I don't know what's gonna. I'm predicting what's gonna happen, but who knows what's gonna happen on Friday. But those the positive numbers in that group of 13 positions are those short positions on the market. So if the Dow opens higher and starts moving higher, as I think it could given this chart formation, we may not do so well on those positions. But if I'm wrong, I'm going to make money on it. Okay, so that's kind of a good feeling. It's kind of like I can't lose either way. I'll show you three of our stocks that are all kind of interesting. I like showing you this one because it's like a near perfect trade. This is not a stock you've heard a lot about too much. It's HOV, which is Hovnanian Enterprises. It's been just a fabulous stock for us. We just keep making money every time we get into it. And we got into this midday, little past the midday yesterday, and it closed positively, and then it pops up very nicely for our exit this morning, and we take $2,800 out of Hovnanian Enterprises. But what I love about this, we get out and the thing just collapses. It's like we were psychic with this exit. We weren't psychic, we just followed our algorithm. But the algo says get out right there. We did, and it gave us a near perfect trade. Um, the next one is very similar to that. This is INSG, which is Inseego Corporation, and we bought this thing second or third hour yesterday. It never gave us any problem, closed profitably, and then it pops up here just for our exit, we get out, take $3,000 in profit, and then it basically falls apart after we get exit too. So that's another very nice looking trade here. Now I'll show you one. It This one made the most money, but it's a little bit nerve wracking to me. Uh, we bought this. This is CVM, which is Cellsci Corporation. And we bought this on Tuesday, about the third hour of the day. It looked like it actually closed against us on Tuesday. But then yesterday, it really took off. That kept us in the trade, and then it popped up there very nicely for our exit. And we took $9,200 out of Cellsci Corporation. $9,200. That is a nice trade. The thing has got me scratching my head just a little bit. Nah, not too bad, not too bad. But this thing kept going, and we got re-entered. Yeah, and our re-entry is about the high tick of the day, which is always a little scary. It did back off, and we were actually holding negative $2,000 in open trade now in Cellsci Corporation. We still nailed down the $9,200 here, but we're holding negative 2,000 in open trade. Now, honestly, hey, you look at this chart, and the trend is obviously up, and this doesn't look like a sell-off. So, with a little bit of luck, we may get out of this thing, but this was not the greatest entry that we could have made. Anyway, uh, fabulous day. I mean, you put it all together. What do we got? We got uh, we have between $45,000 and $50,000 in profit for the last 2 days. You just can't beat that. Anyway, good day. Trader Bob's happy. See you tomorrow. My favorite day, Friday.